So we're going for a drive now to Half Moon Bay with a bunch of friends. Yeah. So it'll be a nice, fun drive to go there.
Alright. Alright. Let's do it. Ready?
Oh man, that's fun.
I know, yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah.
brakes are these?
Akebono.
Akebono. Wow, man.
Stuck.
They stopped hard. The transmission. Yeah, the transmission was good.
This I got this fast intention.
Oh yeah.
Flash plate.
There we go. Oh damn. Now that's. I can feel this car is stronger, man, but it may not pull as hard, but it feels really strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can feel this. Definitely over 500 horsepower to the wheel.
Oh, but I think the transmission is really the weak point.
Yeah. You're getting torque limited or.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just finished doing some fun drives with our friends and hearing each other's exhaust. It was so fun, but it actually got cut short because the sheriff arrived and we got in a little bit of trouble. But luckily, they were nice enough to just give us a warning. And we're just grateful, nothing else happened. And we were just literally just having fun. The cops were right. They we weren't supposed to be there. It's not exactly private property, but it is still like an area of, I think there was like some kind of worker there that reported us for making too much noise or something. Yeah. So luckily just got out with a warning. The cops were very nice about it, and we understood, like, okay, we gotta leave, that's fine. But we're just glad no cars got towed, no one got arrested or anything. But yeah, overall it was a lot of fun. Finally got to hear Carl's Maserati. That V8 sounds really nice, the screaming V8. Yeah, we got to hear Henry's Supercharged 370z. That thing is nice also. Yeah, really strong. Feels like a more than 500 horsepower car, or wheel horsepower. So it was good, We'll just have to find a different spot next time. Yeah, we were really nervous. Like, a part of me wanted to record them coming. I was like, oh no, but at the same time, it would have been interesting content to have. But at the same time, I didn't want to be in trouble. Like, I'm recording them. Well, they were already nice about it, so we don't want to like record them and have them like do some, give us something worse, like worse punishment. So okay. Well, thanks for watching, guys.